spicy cranberry ham and cheese melt. Hi, I'm Sarah from Rachel's culinary team. I'm gonna show you my take on the viral tortilla trend that is all over the internet right now with my spicy cranberry ham and cheese melt. First things first, cranberry sauce and some mustard, and then our Calabrian chili paste, which definitely has some heat. We'll just mix that together. Cranberry sauce, new life. All right, so our tortilla. We're just gonna go from the center to one side and make just one little cut, like that. And then you're going to build your wrap in 4 quadrants, 1 ingredient per quadrant. I'll do a little bit of spicy cranberry mustard sauce. Now we're gonna do just some deli sliced ham and a little shredded cheddar, and then arugula for good measure. And I just love all the beautiful colors. It's like a painting. All right, now we fold. And now I'm just gonna toast it up as I would a quesadilla. Oh man, that just makes me happy. Layers, gorgeous. All right, now you know why this tortilla trend is all the rage. I hope you try it, and happy pantry cleanout.
Hey guys, Jeanette from Rachel's culinary team. I'm gonna show you what you can do with your leftover stuffing. Stuffing mix is an all-star ingredient. You can use it in so many different things. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make my air-fried stuffing-coated chicken nuggets. Start with 1.5 pounds of chicken tenders. So to make our breadcrumbs, we're just gonna take probably about 2 cups of our leftover stuffing mix. To this, I'm just gonna add a little bit of panko. I'm gonna season with a little bit of lemon zest. It's gonna give them a really nice brightness. So I'm gonna crack 2 eggs into here. And I just like to add a little splash of water so that the nuggets get really nice and coated. I'm going to season each component of the breading with salt and pepper. You want flavor in every layer of your breading. All right, so it's time to bread our chicken nuggets. So first, I'm gonna season my chopped chicken tenders with a little bit of salt and pepper. And I'm gonna show you how to bread these using wet hand and dry hand techniques. I'm gonna use my left hand to drop a few into the flour mixture. We're gonna put them into the egg wash. Now I'm gonna use my right hand to do the egg mixture. I'm gonna use that hand to drop them into the breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna pick back up with my left hand and coat them in the breadcrumbs. Now I'm gonna put these into the air frying rack. Then we are going to spray our stuffing coated chicken nuggets with some cooking spray. I'm using some olive oil cooking spray. Spray 1 layer, and then you wanna flip them. You just wanna make sure that you are spraying both sides. Put it on 400, and in they go. It has been, I think, 16 minutes that these guys have been in. Wow, look at how brown and beautiful they got. All those crispy bits. I like to serve these with some honey mustard and Rachel's recipe for no-fail gravy. Those are so good. It really does taste like a Thanksgiving meal, all in one little nugget.